Hello, my name is David. I am managing coffee program and assisting product management at Aaron's Coffee. Today I'm going to review Bellman Cappuccino, and I will demonstrate how to make an espresso and cappuccino with this brewing device. In this brewing manual, they have recipe, but this recipe is more close to the regular mocha pot, not close to the espresso recipe. So I'm going to demonstrate how to create the espresso that what you normally can get in the cafe. So basically, we are targeting around 10% TDS, which is the common strength level of the espresso. So we have three products, Bellman Cappuccino with pressure gauge, without pressure gauge. And we also have the Bellman Cappuccino with only the steam one, without espresso nozzle. So it has lots of parts, but I will go through each parts we have. So this top lid is the pathway of the espresso. So you release espresso when you make an espresso shot. Then underneath the top lid, we have dosing chamber and the reducer. So with full dosing chamber, if you put coffee all the way up to the rim, then you will use around 40 grams of coffee. And when you use this reducer, you can use either 15 grams of coffee or 25 grams of coffee. And then we have steam nozzle. So you can steam the milk with around 1 to 2 bar pressure. Please make sure to read safety guideline in the manual. And in the water chamber, we have 3 cup, 6 cup, 9 cup lines. 9 cup lines are what we are going to use for 2 shots of espresso, which is 800 grams of water weight. If you're using 2 shots of espresso with 40 grams of coffee, then you can use this reducer as a temper. But when you're using Bellman Cappuccino to make 1 shot of espresso, you might need this extra temper that we also carry separate products. You'll see 3 nozzles, one for pressure, one for steam one, and one for safety reason. So make sure to not cover these 3 nozzles with water. So Bellman Cappuccino with pressure gauge comes with this paper filter. So if you want to have cleaner mouthfeel espresso shot, then you can use this paper filter. But Bellman Cappuccino without pressure gauge doesn't come with this filter, but we sell this paper filter as a separate product as well. To build up pressure inside of the brewing devices, please make sure to close the espresso nozzle and steam one nozzle before you boil the water. And after you make coffee, release all the pressure from the brewing devices by opening up the espresso nozzle and steam nozzle before you open the top lid. If you are making cappuccino with Bellman Cappuccino, please make sure to steam your milk first and then release your espresso. So because we are using 1.5 to 2 bar pressure to making an espresso, you will not see thick crema that what you used to see in the cafe. But don't be disappointed about that. Like actually what crema give you in the flavor is more bitterness, not the sweet flavor. And also don't worry about making a great latte art without crema, because you can do great latte art without crema as well. Now let's make espresso and cappuccino with Bellman Cappuccino. Today I'm going to use Ethiopian natural processed coffee roasted by Manhattan Coffee Roasters from Netherlands. So I will introduce you espresso recipe for 1 cup and 2 cup espresso. For the 1 cup recipe, put these shorter parts downside. Put 25 grams of coffee on top of this reducer, not between basket and reducer. So put the reducer first, 25 grams of coffee in, and put 600 grams of water in. And then you're going to have 30 grams of espresso output with 1.5 bar pressure. For 2 cup espresso, I recommend to get 50 grams of espresso output with 1.5 to 4 bar pressure. Thanks for watching Bellman demo. We're going to upload video every Thursday, so be sure to subscribe our channel. And if you have any question or specific product review request, please leave a comment below. We will see you next week. Happy brewing.
Thank you for watching our latest product video. My name is Wes Farnell and I'm one of the owners of 8 Ounce Coffee. I'm just here to remind you about our latest coffee subscription, which has been selected carefully by David Kim, our resident coffee expert. Now, you can select the frequency of your order and you can select how many bags of coffee you want, but what we can guarantee is every time that hits your door, you're going to get some of the best coffee available in Canada and occasionally from the world. Thanks very much and watch again soon.